Isaiah, what's going on?
Oh, hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Great, how are you?
Doing well, doing wonderful.
We're doing 25 questions for the class of 2025. How you feeling?
Great, doing great.
Let's do it. We're at Vista Peak Prep. I can tell because of that giant bison up there.
Oh yeah, him? That's just Tyson the Bison.
Oh, it rhymes. I get it. What would be your personal mascot?
An eagle.
What's one word to sum up your graduating class?
Timeless.
Who's the teacher that made all the difference?
Miss Moye.
What's one thing you'll miss most about high school?
All the friends I've made along the way.
Give me something you can say in another language.
Yeah. Malaika. Naku Fenda Malaika. And that means, my angel, I love you, my angel.
Smooth. Hey man, I feel bad saying this, but my stomach is growling. You know where we can get something to eat?
Yeah, I do. Just come follow me.
Good looking out, Isaiah. I mean, Vista Peak's cafeteria is pretty famous, known across the land. What's the best thing you ever ate here?
I gotta say the chicken bites are pretty good.
Something you would eat all the time, no calorie consequences.
Whew, I gotta say ice cream.
For sure. What's your flavor?
A good homemade vanilla.
Classic. What's something you can cook?
Ooh, I love making cereal in a fancy bowl.
Pinkies up, bro. Show me a picture that means a lot to you.
I gotta say this one.
This one, huh? Tell me about it.
This picture means just so much to me because this is the photo that I used to run for student body president, and I also look pretty good in this photo. So.
No doubt. What's the song that changed your life?
I gotta say, "Where's the Love" by Black Eyed Peas is a banger.
Certified banger. Got a hidden talent?
You know, I can sing a little bit, but the pipes aren't really working today. So.
All right. I won't ask you. What's the time you succeeded when you thought you wouldn't?
In reference to that photo, running for student body president, I was told that I wasn't gonna be able to do it and I wasn't gonna win, but here we are today.
You showed them what's up.
Yeah.
What's that role taught you?
It's taught me that you can't just be a leader in the good times. However, taking accountability and responsibility for every choice that you make makes you a great leader.
Love it. Let's keep the tour going. Where to next?
Yeah, I know just the place. Follow me.
Revving up in the sunshine.
Yeah, pretty nice, huh?
Who's someone you'll never forget?
Someone I'll never forget is probably my freshman year teachers. They really set me up for success here.
What's the best compliment you ever got?
Honestly, I feel like my hair, you got some
I
nice
was
hair.
thinking the same. Got any nicknames?
Yeah, my older brother called me Zay.
Tell me about a time you couldn't stop laughing.
There was a time where we were just finishing up an event, actually just out here on this field, and we went back to the student council room. We had paint out, and for some reason I started chasing my friends in there, and all of a sudden the paint spilled. We just couldn't stop laughing. So,
What is your favorite place at Vista Peak?
I gotta say the student council room. A lot of good minds are in there.
Can we check it out?
Yeah, let's go.
Why is this your favorite place?
Just all the creative minds that come together to make all the events happen. As you can see here with all the flowers, just very hardworking people, and a lot of stuff gets done in here.
Yeah, I see all these flowers. What's the plan?
Yeah, so we're currently planning for our prom this year, and the theme is Garden of Time, so, different flowers, different times.
I dig it. What's a place you want to visit before you die?
I gotta say Greece. It's very beautiful there.
Best advice you ever received?
To take every opportunity that is given to you, to be honest with you.
Got any words of wisdom for your freshman self?
Yeah, I gotta say, just do what you want to do. People are gonna look at you any way that they want to look at you, but don't let it disregard any of the work that you've done in the past.
And that will do it. That's 25 questions for the class of 2025. Scale of 1 to 10, how'd you do?
I'd give myself a cool 8, 9 or 10 if I had my vocal cords a little bit more warmed up, but.
Well, I'll do it, man. I'll give you the 10. Thanks for doing it. Thanks for hanging out. And congratulations on graduation.
Thank you, sir.